Yo, yo, yo. Okay, so market is up big here. Okay, I sold calls for today. NDX sold 24,800 calls, bought 24,850 calls. Okay. You'll see my Rivian trade. Okay, that's why I gotta reset this. Hold on. Okay, Rivian, we're doing a trim here. Hold on 1 second. I'll get you a cues. 1 second. Oh, 1 second. Let me just check everything out. Give me 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Give me 1 second. We're getting a pop here. Dude, that is so upsetting. MEU is at 400 where I wanted to buy it. Now it's at 425 because of the news. IWM 252. IWM 252. Let's just give this a few minutes to pay out. Ooh, damn.
Who's the guy that makes all those songs, those short clips for us, Jordan?
That's
Wop Bender.
Oh, you mean
No.
Oh yeah, Wop Bender.
Is it Wop?
Most of the time.
Wop. I thought who was making like the country song, the rap song?
That was Tommy.
Tommy. Yeah.
Our boy Tommy.
You gotta get with Tommy in the comments.
I'll run it.
Tommy does some really great stuff.
I will do that. About 75% Tesla. Actually, more now. I can't even keep up. 90 cents to $1.76. So almost 100%. Down to 10 runners.
Palantir is still pushing up a little bit higher too. Cassie was that other one. It closed right around 365. Now it's going back to 380.
Not ready to long yet.
I missed y'all. I wasn't on Thursday. It's been a
I know, good. Or
Yeah, Tesla looks pretty strong here.
I'm still chilling right now. No scalpy scalps for me.
Dude, I was watching this last night. We were down 1.5%. I wake up, we're up 1.5%.
Oh god. Me and Em were scoping that gap last night. We're excited for it.
I was very excited for a lot of things at the bottom.
Wake up and it's really filled.
Crazy.
It felt rippy last night, right when futures opened up, and then we created that lower low, which is fine. But like, of course, it was news based as well. But we've been saying a lot, like the market's almost underreacting to everything, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh yeah, hold my beer, look at this, we're in a rip, 2.5% in 2 minutes.
It's amazing what a headline can do. It works both ways.
Oh yeah.
Just wait. Don't worry. There'll be some. All right. The talk didn't go good, and then all of a sudden back down 2%.
Oh, I'm already in call spreads. We're up 1.7%. Hell yeah.
My quant engine is showing that we're gonna end for the session.
Oh.
And 90% accurate, or 89% for the past 10 trading days. And YM has been about 100% accurate aside from like one session. So we'll see. Something on beta testing. So
Still in a downtrend. Last time I checked.
Well, I would love to know, the results on that when it's like something like today, where it's like a news catalyst, where it's a range that is, say, 50% outside normal range. Like when you have like this extreme range, how the results are on that. That would be very interesting.
I'll share. I share it every day after, so I'll share it.
Hell yeah.
Because
I'll check it out.
it has it pulls in a lot of basically where the institutions are what's it called, positioned.
Okay.
So it pulls that, it pulls the catalyst, it pulls macro, it pulls a lot of stuff. So it's not, see price.
So it can kind of absorb like out those outlier days pretty well because of how many different things it's pulling from. Gotcha.
Yeah, but it doesn't, it gives you a bias before New York session, and it does not change. So if it says bearish, that's what it thinks it's going to end for the first 3.5 hours.
Gotcha. It's 239 off 90 cents on those Tesla calls. I'm down to 5 out of 3 yet. I only have 5 left here.
Right now it's showing bullish for my other stuff that I'm looking at, which is obviously, like Mag 7 and whatever. But let's see. I'm waiting. No trades.
Trump said they hope to meet soon.
Trump on Iran is what that was.
Mm-hmm.
But Iran said that they haven't had any talks with Trump, so what's going on?
We were talking about that right before you jumped on. I think they're both posturing a little bit. I think somewhere in the middle of what they're both saying is the truth, in my opinion.
Oh no, Riz is in ER.
I don't know. It just feels like the biggest part of the war is the propaganda.
What did you say? You said Rizzo's in the ER?
Yeah, he just posted in Discord on an ER. I don't know. Hopefully he's okay.
Yeah.
He was probably
supposed to-
long. He was probably long over the weekend. He just got too excited from his games this morning. Hopefully that's all it
He was
is.
supposed to be flying to New York City today. He has a really bad allergic reaction to something.
Oh no.
You guys see the Air Canada flight in LaGuardia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Did they shut down LaGuardia completely, or did they?
I don't know, but that plane looks like the whole front end just like fell out of it. It's insane.
Yeah. I watched a video on it this morning.
He said he just needs to make his flight to New York later today.
It's
I
always
gotta ask him. Hopefully he's flying into JFK and not LaGuardia.
It said there were 70 people that were injured on it, and there was 2 confirmed deaths, I think, at the time.
Pilot and co-pilot are both deceased. No trades, guys. This is just chopped.
Trump is speaking as well.
And Trump is speaking. Okay.
Yeah.
Well then, we
So
stood
Trump-
sidelines.
Yeah, he's talking about Iran right now. He said that he has talked to their top leadership. He said I don't want him to be killed. He said if the deal happens, it's a great start for Iran and great for the region. We don't want to see a nuclear bomb weapon for Iran. No, we want to see no nuclear bomb or weapon for Iran. That's what we just said.
I'm gonna keep all my opinions to myself.
We're so back and forth with all this shit.
Yeah.
We really get.
Misinformation. No one believes anything.
I was told 4 different occasions that the United States won the score and it was already done.
That was just a Friday, Casey.
Yeah,
But Saturday changed.
Not even 48 hours, man.
Yeah.
like
I think we have how many? 10 hours left?
Right? Oh my goodness. Like that meme that's been going viral lately with the lady jerking back and forth. Yeah, that's literally
Yep.
the internet nowadays. Propaganda. It's crazy.
oh I like the video of the old lady when they have the heat map behind her flashing red
Yep.
and green, red to green. Yeah,
That's the one.
she's just all over the place. I'm like,
I think they're
As in,
watching
like,
the
keep
market.
ripping, guys.
They're like, the market is down. Say this. The market.
Yeah, right. It's the timing too. Monday morning, like the peak pre-market time that everybody's getting on. People are waking up 8 a.m. Eastern time, 7 a.m. Eastern time. Like the timing, Bill. That dude was staring at the market. Hey, I'll take it. I made a nice amount of money on props this morning.
right? I got a lot of shit over the weekend for saying that we were gonna see a little relief rally off 645 and a plus 2% open. People told me I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about going on in this world. I was like, technically nobody knows what's going on in this world. I was like, so don't act like you know. But chart tells me this, and my position was up 70% out of the gate, and that's all that matters.
You heard? Yeah, it's true though. You know, we've been holding that level. We're right back at it. Israel will be very happy with what we have. I keep having headlines flashing. That's what Trump's saying.
QQQ still holding up. Amazon's holding up nicely. It's actually at pre-market highs. Tesla, good move. AMD still kind of chilling in the same area. Google, a little bit weaker. Apple's printing a sell candle right now, depending on if it closes at 252 or not. Meta's so decent. Real high day Qs, that's the buy signal. Trump says, I want to have as much oil in the system as possible. We are very willing to make a deal. Trump on Iran, they called me, I didn't call.
Why does that have the same energy? Like, I broke up with her, she didn't break up with me.
That's exactly what I was thinking when I read that. Like, I didn't call them, they called me.
Okay, still pushing, still pushing.
ND2, let's go. I wish I didn't sell them out so quick. I'm kind of sad. because I happened to be in that long when it kind of bounced and ripped this morning, and I was kind of telling traders, like, it's not necessarily like, oh, you're so lucky you were looking at the chart right then and there, this and that. But like more times than not, the more you're like prepped and looking at those charts, you set yourself up to be ready for those really strong, clean moves. So, you know, like, don't get discouraged if you feel like you're always missing the good moves, quote unquote. The more time you spend just digging into the charts, it'll come. It will. Like, if you've been, and I've done in the Discord last week, if you are net even or even like slightly red this year overall in the kind of choppy range we've had, you are beating 99% of traders. It's been really rough. We've been range bound, not the greatest swing market. It's short in and out, like Casey was saying a little while ago. Like, give yourself a round of, like, really a pat on the back if you have stayed above water the last 2 months and you're a newer trader. Like, this is I'm not gonna say it's as rough as it gets, but the range bound, just really choppy stuff is about as rough as it gets. Like, as far as just that range, not saying we can't go down. I'm not talking about overall where we're at levels, but it's just been really tough trading. And at least the 10 plus years I've been trading, some of the worst price action as far as just good moves overnight, nothing good during the day, range bound chop, just the whole thing. So I don't know. I feel like it's about to get good trading here soon, hopefully.
I agree. Some expansion in this market.
Yeah. Yeah. The longer we consolidate, the better the next leg will be. So
yeah.
All right, see if QQQ can get a break in base over this 593 and just maybe slow continuation higher. It's hitting a trend line right now, lower highs, but looking good. IWM new high of day. SPY could be printing a 15-minute reversal, close in about 5 minutes. If 660 is going to be your highest level of gamma right now, because it's breaking close above that, it looks good.
Might not be the best place, but I want to take a short. Well, I took a short, but I sized down and I kind of. Oh, there's 10 points. Okay, now it's moving pretty fast, so I'm just gonna play it light. All right, there's 16. Jeez. Okay, there's 27 points, 30. And then scales one out. Oh, there's 40. Okay, I have a runner left, and I'm going to put my stop loss and profit. Why did it say stop build, but then I still have a position running? Really? It flipped me to a long.
You on trade today?
Yeah, and it can't close.
Yeah, that happened to me. So that happened to me twice last week. I had to log out, refresh the screen, log back in, and then I could close it out. I had to do it real quick.
What the?
Yeah.
But it's only on one account.
I had the exact same thing. I hit because I was copy trading all of them, and when I hit close, cancel, market all, it closed 4 of the accounts, but left one of them open, and I couldn't close it, and I had to log out, refresh, log back in, and then go close it.
Well, I was just able to close it because
Freaking weird.
And then they'll get you on freaking hedging.
Yep. That's what happened to me on I don't want
Well, it's the trade copier that's doing it technically. But okay, well, I'm out of that position. It's a nice small catch, but I still think we're gonna come down.
Q's still fighting that trend line. Doesn't like it.
We if we retrace above or up to like 67, 70-ish, I reject there, I'll re-enter short. Let's see, are we gonna reject? No rejection. Not yet.
Come on, I didn't down. Go, go, down.
Let's see. Maybe again we reject around that 594, 600.
You're short, Mixie?
I was. Not now.
For NQ, I want it to get to 630. I want IWM to get to 250.30. And I want to get a short on either one.
I am looking at longs here.
You a bad, bad boy.
Get the next 15 candle upside. Got 1 minute closing. A 15-minute candle. Looking good so far. We can push back up into the mid 80s, potentially 90. Yes. Use maybe 650. Just to get a little crazy.
We're in a really tight range since we've opened, so.
Thing I'm most upset about is I wanted MU at 395 to 400, and we were at 403. And this fucking news came out and fucked me. It fucked me.
Still haven't done anything in this range.
All right, 15 minutes going to close with a bullish reversal. We want to see next 15 minutes take us higher. Look for dips to buy.
Yeah, currently at the 5 minutes showing lean bull.
Yeah, she told me, so I'm gonna write her help, you know, if they want to write it for her. But I spoke to her this morning, because I've been trying, you know, bouncing around getting all the forms together and what's going on. And she said that it's because it's.
Maybe take that short.
Yeah, it's just an interesting spot to look. To see if it gets back. We're back down to 70. Looks good for alarms. Dip.
Okay, I'm short again. A little bit
I'm
of
saying now.
Trump is still speaking?
Yeah, he says that the strait will be open very soon if it works. Iran has agreed to no nuclear weapons. Trump on the airport. Love that Musk is offering to pay. Let him do that.
Let him do it.
Oh my God, let him do it.
That boy gonna pay for us? Hell yeah.
Come on.
Let's get stopped out. Come on. Stop. I know we are above the 9. We're still in an uptrend. We're at a key
100%
level.
on SPY calls here.
Nice.
I'm trying to be greedy, so I want to see if this 15-minute boxes. Come on, here we go. I'm greedy today. There we go. Alright. Stop that. Alright, do 66.85 on ES.
Watch it now reverse that it stopped me out.
I want to close my last SPY as well. It's good enough for me.
No.
Market continues to just slowly trend upside. 661.15 and then 663 and then 666. Big targets upside on SPY. We do have a really big spot here for resistance on SPX though.
I closed my Rivian swing longs here.
So it really went up and took me out.
And bring us right back in.
Yeah, SPX is Thursday high up here. It's around the low 6630s. I'd be hesitant in taking shorts, but I'm not opposed to selling calls.
The best place to take shorts is under that 540-ish, but I am still bearish and that pisses me off. I need to adjust my stop. My stop is at like 70 ticks, which is not a lot. Thank you.
No, these 5-minute candles, you're getting a lot of points within one candle right now.
Yeah.
It's insane.
I'll re-enter my shorts and damn it.
Look at that.
No.
Use your 5 at 21.
It's not
No. Oh my god, I just missed my short too. Oh, fuck
We'll
me.
re-enter.
Yeah. See if SPX can back test around like 66.08 area and then bounce, put in a lower high. I might flip it short. Should be QQQ 5 at 21 bounce here. So SPY. I personally think we're due for chop, unless something, else significant
I'm
gets sent
re-entering
today.
my short. It's 15, 17, 10. Looks like when you go to the gas station and you're watching the numbers.
Yeah, I overall this morning, nothing's happened. We're basically at open space. I've been taking out these range highs all day, so should be a decision.
Right now, if you're trading, you gotta take your quickly, like your points.
You lose the position where you are and benefit. But you still will have a position in the hospital, and they have to for a year. They have to give you a position in the hospital. But she said that if you get that in writing, that it has to be on the back. Then obviously I didn't see her have it in writing. But I'm like, okay, but that's scary.
Oh, it's cruising. Oil's still down 10%. Corby ripping. Palantir ripping. Palantir's up 5.4% today.
Right, I would have to come back for one shift to reset and lock it.
Come on. I just need a little bit more.
It's really a no news Monday.
In writing, that they can't say she cannot come, she cannot write. Nothing in writing.
Dude, my Twitter is like glitched. What the fuck?
I think Tesla just made a new high there.
Yeah, it's still curling up.
Let me see, or it's testing equal highs. Can't zoom in that much.
It's good for testing because it was getting slammed.
Yeah, Tesla's still pulling up. NVIDIA not doing much. AMD not doing much. Amazon did just make a new high day over pre-market high. Stock just went to like 213. Google's trying to curl up. Meta is flat, and Microsoft is still kind of choppy. Apple just made new lows. You got a mixed bag right now.
Trump says Strait of Hormuz will open very soon if the plan is successful.
What's the plan?
You don't say, huh? You don't say.
Every sector right now is basically green. XLE, XLV, and XLP are like 0.0 something. Everything else is up. really nice. I mean, even home builders, it's the strongest.
Yeah, everything's looking pretty good. I just can't do anything here. Stuck in
No.
the dead smack middle of the range, like drop lower so I can long drop or rip higher so I can short. I don't care.
Yeah.
Just give me something here because I'm not going to diddle in the middle. I'm not doing that shit. I don't have the confidence.
Yeah. Since that impulsive break this morning, SPY and NQ has been very range bound. So
I'm obviously still leaning a little bit more bullish than anything. I think any dips down to 654, 655 on SPY is great area for a long, and then vice versa for a short. I think 665 to 666. If we rip up there, it's a great spot to sign up for a short.
If we put on Qs on the Q/NQ range from last week's high to pre-market lows, so the weekly range, we hit resistance almost to the penny on the 1 minute at the 618, and we keep trying to bounce at the 0.5. So we're within that golden pocket of the whole week range. So that's very interesting as well. So I really kind of on NQ specifically, 24,665 is that 618, and then 24,500 even is the 0.5. So kind of that range, not interested. Want to go lower above that.
Yep, I agree.
It's holding well though, so we like that.
I'm gonna pull up SPX real quick. I'm gonna see how far out of the money I can go with selling options, and if there's any juice behind it. Because I mean, we are. SPY is currently up. How much right now? It's gotta be close to 2%, right? 1.8, just 1.95. IWM up 2.9. Huge new high day. I think we can slow grind higher. But this is probably going to be scalper's paradise within this range.
Yep.
So,
and it's a big range. So if you are playing like props and stuff, play small. You don't need to, you'll get burned up. It's a big range.
do vertical $20 wide. And you, God, none of the juice is really there. I mean, I at least want to see if I can go out over 100 points today. Be comfortable with like 67.20s on SPX, but your premium on 67.20, 67.40 is $25 right now. Not the best. The call premiums don't really have the juice. Puts probably still have more juice. Because if you flip it and probably go $100 out of the money the other direction, so say 65, 20s, you're getting about more than double right now. So your put premiums are still about twice, about probably times 2.5 greater on the premiums than the calls. The SoFi cash secured puts right now, those are up 20% Friday for this week.
Yes, Ron Deere. So you're asking if the messages regarding Trump and Iran are true. I mean, we won't know yet. The market is up on that. The continued game of ping pong.
I'm in IWM 250 calls for 325 expiration. Just got myself some extra time. I'm looking for a move over 250 here.
Yes.
I think NQ is going to maybe even go for those highs too, another 100 points.
595 on Qs, and then next zone starts at 596.30. Qs printed another buy signal on that previous 5 minute.
Come on, iDubbbz. Give me that pop over 250. Let's see it. Let's see, girl.
And let's see if we reject that 650-ish.
There you go, 594 Qs. Nice.
594.
Yes, I'll hit 6690. A little bit higher.
Israeli sources say it's too early to know if Trump is going to end the war. His statement was surprising.
They're pissed.
So
They're
they didn't
pissed.
Oh God, it just gets better and better.
They're pissed.
It's like last week, like, I mean, you know, and I'm an independent. I'm just gonna be honest, but like Trump acted in shock, like NATO or countries weren't like jumping over themselves to step up in the situation. Like, yeah, I mean, I don't know. Are you surprised? Just I don't know, man. I know I'm not a liberal. I voted red more than blue in my life, y'all. Promise you that. But are you surprised? Come on.
It was at 661.15 on SPY. This is, I don't even know why I have this level on here. Let's see. This was Wednesday's low, close of the session. Now you'd want to see breaking base above this level and then slow melt to 663.
Later, I'm taking a long dippy.
Yeah, the market right now is basically reacting to these headlines that are coming out. So
All right, target hit on ES.
Let's go.
There we go. All right. QQQ about to approach next target upside as well. Trim spot, move stops up. Daily levels at 594.7. ES should hit close to about 6,700 around the same time.
Exactly 200% hit on those Teslas. I'm down to 3, which isn't really shit. But I do have 3 left because they're not pulling back at all.
Second target hit if you're long, 6,700 ES, 594.70 break on Qs.
We're going for those highs off the
There you
news.
go. God. Fucking. Oh, I love trading so much.
Me too.
Me
Last week I hated
three.
it.
God.
Go IWM. Rip it, baby.
Billy Goat, nice job out long SPY, $150 off the buy signal. Let's go. Nice job. It's freaking dollar bill, y'all. Dollar bill, y'all. Where's Frank? I know Frank's getting paid too. I'll be up in the club, shaking for a dub.
Slow break higher.
Yeah.
Towards London. You got London high on top still.
Every time I come around my London Bridge.
All right, well, at least we're cruising towards the top of the range, one side of the range. Yes, took out those relatively low, huh? And they grind it to London.
It's 125 points from the additional buy signal. Big trim spot up there. Watch for the pullback on Qs back down to the 592.76. Higher low. Buy the dip, melt up. SPY is going to be closer to about 659.80, that 660 area again. Then rinse and repeat until proven otherwise. Depending on how this 10-minute does close on this pullback, it is going to be a nasty shooting star. So don't be greedy when hitting targets.
Okay, I'm closing IWM for a loss. Really wanted to get a short up top.
Almost 250% hit on Tesla. I'm down to just 2 runners, and they're more like gains porn contracts. 90 cents to about 310. I mean, it's true.
Let's go.
90 cents to 310. So I got just a couple left.
Nice.
Beautiful trade.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you're coming to a decent spot right here on Tesla. This 384.50, 385 area. Tesla, I mean, freaking, what a move this morning.
I wish I would have opened up a swing with it, honestly.
Same. Me and Will talked about it on Friday, but I didn't want that. I already had 3 positions already prior.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to keep on adding more risk over the weekend, even though I was like, man, a lot of these charts are hitting key spots for these swings.
Yeah.
But I don't want to go 5-6 positions long over the weekend and then Monday be like fucking obliterated because
I get it. I ate a 2K loss on Tesla about a week and a half ago, so I get it.
Yeah. So I swung half of what I wanted to, but I mean, still happy.
Ooh, what was IB? That formed.
Has anyone tried out Lucid for futures?
Yeah, I'm trading.
Yeah, I do
accounts
Lucid.
right now.
I like him.
Yeah,
I like them
actually,
so
I'm
far
liking them
as
a
well.
lot.
They're
I
fun.
really
like
like the
Lucid.
dashboard personally and just how it shows everything in all your
Yeah.
accounts. That's like.
And when you
like
get
a
funded,
whole
they
book.
switch you right away. I like that.
Yeah, it's kind of cool because their dashboard, it updates in real time, which is
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
It's instant. And then right now, so yesterday, I wanted to test them out just because I heard good things about it. So I bought a 50K, traded it here this morning. The account's up $270 on a little MNQ longs on it. But I paid like 50 or 60 bucks for the account, and obviously it's a one-time, it's not monthly, which is always nice. But then at the same time as well, when you get funded, I believe they don't have any activation fees on those accounts either.
Nope.
Which
Yeah.
is nice. And then end of day drawdown, which is good. It's something that I like as well. So I'm just seeing a lot of good things, and we'll see how it goes. But so far, I'm liking Lucid.
Yeah. If you don't mind the consistency rule, I kind of like the pro account there more than the flex, which I know is very odd because it's 3-day payouts, but you have consistency, which I don't mind. The consistency rule never bothers me. So
so for the funded though, for the pro, it's not end of day drawdown, isn't it? Intraday.
I think it's a 65% of peak profits on the day, but it is end of day overall, but you can't lose more than a certain amount in the day, if I'm not mistaken. I just like the 3-day.
It's end of day drawdown on the pros.
Yeah,
it is. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I think it's like a 65% of peak daily loss limit or something like that. I forget.
Gotcha. Yeah, I don't mind the consistency. Depends on what the percentage is, honestly. I mean, if the rule, like what they used to be on a few of them, maybe like 20%, 20 or 30%. I mean, it's doable, but personally, do I like 20 and 30% consistency rules? Absolutely not. I mean, so I like having either the flex plans, like currently where I have no consistency rule. Apex is 50 on these ones right now, which that's really easy to achieve. But so far, so good.
I like Lucid a lot. You know, and if you like the top setbacks, like being able to slide your take profit and your stop loss, I suggest instead of doing Trade-Evade, check out the Trade C on Lucid. It's amazing. It's better to me. It's better than all of them. Better than Wealth Charts, better than Trade-Evade, better than Trading View. Like, I truly love the Trade C. It's the only one, if you like.
Hey, 1 second, guys. Hold on. Where's this? Okay, there we go. Hold on.
Different tabs. So I have Lucid connected to one of my monitors on TradingView to execute over there. I didn't even notice at the top of Lucid it said Trade C on here, so I'm going to go check that out right now.
Yeah, I love it because it's really easy to slide, how easy it is to slide your take profit and your stop losses on Trader or Project X. It's like that easy. I like the Trade C a lot. Probably my favorite platform to trade of all the props. I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something, but the Wealth Charts are not my jam. Mm-mm.
Five-minute 9-pack testing the hold so far. Another new high.
Ooh.
I don't know if Trump is still speaking.
Whoa. What's going on? The computer just froze. What in the world is happening right now? Okay, that crashed. And all right, there we go. We're back. So if you want to hold this 5-minute gap that we're dipping into, such a slow grind here. Gold's still holding up. Apple's up 4.17% now. Reclaiming that monthly low again. It's got that big gap above our heads now as well.
Yep, and that's right at Qs. We're rejecting right at that range, the 618 of the range.
Mm-hmm.
Last week's highs to these pre-market lows. So just kind of paying attention to that here. Everything's holding good. It's just starting to become like choppy.
So my quant engine had a data quality issue. Not the model issue, and if it had like stale data in there. Just this morning, because there was like a bunch of updates made over the weekend. The verdict would have been bull if it was able to pull live data. Damn it. And that's okay though. That's what happens in beta testing. It's like brand new, so.
So the couple minutes before the Trump announcement this morning, it looks like it was $1.5 billion
Yeah, I saw that.
worth of. Oh, okay.
That's
And
crazy.
then like gold or the oil too, like 192 million oil short too.
Isn't that crazy?
Insane. Insane.
Sorry, what was it? What was the whole thing? I didn't see it.
That just a couple minutes before the Trump announcement, 1.5 billion worth of ENS futures were bought in a single block, and then 192 million oil futures at the same time. That's insane. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, they shorted oil and bought ES, and then literally 10 minutes later, the news came out.
Yep. You even see it like on the volume candles when they bought it. That's hilarious. Just like 3 minutes before, 4 minutes.
I mean, going far out on SPX right now, you can sell 6,500s, about $130 out of the money, and then go about $80 out on the call side. Not bad, $20 wide. So like 67.10s for the upside, 6,500 on the downside, and like about $60 on the premiums per contract for the iron condor if we stay inside this range. SPY SPX would have to completely reverse the entire move and fill the entire gap to the downside by end of day for the puts to go in the money, and then we would probably have to see another pretty large extension. SPY would have to get close to another 1.25% upside after this entire move for the call sides to go in the money. So not bad for an iron condor idea here.
I like that.
I'm looking for shorts across the board on some things, but I gotta wait until it gets to places I want.
All right, nice back test on SPY. Again, the 660. We just hit 659.95. Nice pop for Qs. Again, 592.76 was the level. And nice pop off of that. Again, just higher low. Buy the dip off the daily levels. Pop back higher until proven otherwise. Same thing over and over again.
Yeah.
If you are wanting to scalp this price action.
Yes, IWM, go. I'm not long anymore, but I will short you. Ooh, droppy.
Spready.
I'm hard as spread, baby.
You take NDX?
I took NDX call spreads right at the open, and they went they went like 70 to 80% in like literally 10 minutes. Even with us going up, it was just too much IV, spiky. I do not want that to be the end for Tesla because I actually want to short Tesla.
I have a big spot of resistance.
I'm long.
right here.
You're long?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I want it higher.
I'm just scalping right now.
I want it higher. Come on.
Can we take it high? Thinks he want that long.
I really want IWM to go.
I'm in the street.
Cheers, I took that with you. Thanks, Sphinx.
There's 17 points.
All right, y'all. I am logging out. I'm gonna eat something. I'll see you guys in the morning.
Sounds good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good move.
Peace out, everybody.
Wow.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day.
Have a good day. Stassy's still cooking. It just make another leg up, didn't it? A few minutes ago.
fucking just half gap on Tessie. Yeah.
Somebody tell me not to take Tesla puts right here.
Half gap's like 390.
Casey, if you take them, let me know. I'll just say fucking and I'll join you.
Okie dokie.
I was waiting to see if we get to 387. I don't know if we're going to do it.
Yeah, I have a spot that starts here. Jordan said you could see 390 on Tesla.
That would be another spot where I'd be definitely 100% short.
Yeah, that's like half gap. I don't know if you get that today though.
I don't think we're going to get that.
That'd be a gnarly rip further than what we already did, yeah.
So I'm thinking about front running up the 10. I want to see how the 15 and 30-minute closes here in about 5 minutes, and that might short Tesla. Let me go ahead and get contracts pulled up.
Ooh. Oh, I forgot that it's... I'd probably do Wednesday contracts.
If I take Tesla puts, I'll probably take the 370s for March 27th.
Oh, you're gonna go Friday expiration. Okay.
Yeah.
Friday expiration. I don't know. I'd probably do maybe.
Wednesday could be good too. The 375s. But I usually don't like doing 0 to 3s. DTs.
Really? Oh, I was gonna give us.
That being stingy today. I always feel like those days where we take out previous day high and previous day low makes for tough trading.
IWM new higher day.
Good. It needs to go higher.
Black break off the 21 in VWAP.
It needs to go higher. Okay. Wednesday expiration Tesla. I'm selling, not selling. I'm getting 380 puts.
7 puts, you bullish. Yeah, like.
Got a starter there. If we dip, probably trim around 381.40, then 380.
Hey, that's my target to the penny.
Hell yeah. I'm watching your screen.
I'm sure you are. What number am I holding up right now on my camera?
3.
Oh my god.
Was it actually 3?
No.
Fuck. Were you even holding up a number?
No.
She wasn't even holding it up.
You tricked me. You were thinking it though. Yeah, I know you would.
Two.
Shit.
I was gonna give it to you if you did say two.
That's the first number I thought of, but I went a little different than what I was thinking. So I got my starter in Tesla. Guess IWM. Go.
30 seconds left until the 15 and 30-minute closes on Tesla. I want them to close red. Let's see if they do. Spying Q's can bounce. It's back tested the same levels again, and IWM's pushing.
She's the only mom that came every Korea first canceled the day of. Yeah.
15 close green. A little bit upper wick still. I'm still not in.
Mom canceled the day of, said that she had to go do something at the airport and went to the McLean Avenue.
I'm gonna cut this position if it doesn't freaking start going better.
Yeah, just like go and whatever. Like she literally, my mom was like, so.
Okay, maybe. I spoke nicely to it.
Sometimes yeah, do that.
Yeah.
Just buy segment, but candlestick just started.
I'm gonna scale some out.
Yes, go IWM. I need another $1 out of you at least.
I'm gonna scale them out. Oh shoot. I clicked close all. No. Oh, there's 47 points though.
There you go. Same spot. Qs. 3 candles back to back. All that held.
Like 41 or something.
Let's go. You see. I'm gonna go 100. Don't worry.
Damn it.
There it goes. God, this is really gonna go 3 for 3 today.
Damn it, really?
There it is. Bam. All right. If you took Qs again, 592.76. We're approaching 594.70 again. Trim. There it is. 594.70. Big stick.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go.
Sounds good, Minxie.
Yeah, ma'am.
Tomorrow.
Sounds good to me tomorrow.
Bye. See ya.
Baby.
All right. Overextended tick right here, hitting the same level. iDubbbz ripping. SPY new high, SPX new high. We have to scout that short real quick.
IB high got taken on the ass.
Scout this short real quick. Let's see. 75 up here. That's not a bad area. I can get underneath and get down closer to 50.
RTY still cruising.
Looking monstrous. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm out.
He's out. Still no IB high on NQ. ES did grab it.
Is your 650 break? I got filled at 650, 350. Nice little scout.
I think Tesla's still grinding. New high day.
Yeah, I want to see if we can make new highs now on Q.
It is about to tap into a big spot though. What's this? Like 4-hour highs from Thursday. Might see some rejection at this 385 area intraday. Good day for testing.
Fine, SPX, ES all took it. Should be Q's turn now. Come on, play a little catch up.
Yeah. 690 there. They got that IB high. Maybe it tries to run to London, but we'll
I
see.
mean, you got what, 24,700 just above. I have a daily level at 24,725. I think that can be a good target upside if we do make a higher high. We'd have to make a new high down QQQ for me to say that that's 3 for 3 on the signal. It has to break that 1020 high. Still have an overextended tick right up here. Best case scenario, tick cools down, price stays the same, tick bounces, then you can take that high on Qs.
Yeah.
SPY 663. I step on the tick a little bit, see if it can pop back up, see if Qs can make a new high day here. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Eight bear, 690.50. Just grab it.
Go.
Or 690, yeah, 25.
Feel like a rug's coming soon, eventually. I wouldn't be surprised. I'd like to see 596 on Qs and 665 up there on SPY. We get up in that area today. That's where I'm going short. The only way.
Yeah, still continuing. Take out that IQ. Goes.
New high day by a penny.
And keep it.
No, NQ missed it by like, what was that? 689, 690. Missed it by a point. I can bring it back down, just chop it sideways, print these SPXs. IWM previous week high is 251.71. It's almost there.
What did you say it was?
251.71.
I think I want to kiss you. That's where I want to start a short, somewhere around there.
That was hilarious. Oh my gosh.
That is exactly where I want to start a short, right around that 251.70 area.
I want to short scalp this thing again, but now I'm just being greedy.
Their fall.
Same thing again. was like, I kind of want to short scalp this again. I think I can get a quick 20-something points and just hit it. I think it just hit 50 again, 651.
Tesla, the highs are getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. I'm waiting for my ad.
I would be over trading if I took anything else today.
We're never done trading.
Well, not really over trading, because a lot of things I had going into the day. There's no reason to give profit back in price action like this if you're up nice. I feel like there's someone who's trading this right now who's going on tilt. So I'm going to go ahead and be the one to tell you to fucking stop and close your account for a little bit and take a walk.
What time?
Yeah, because
For you and your dog.
I just feel like I know I just saw someone in the Discord kind of say something similar. They're just getting on the wrong side of trades right now. I think people, because the price action is so slow and they're getting antsy to take trades, they're chasing these candles in the direction, and then you're not getting your instant gratification. Then we're stalling, doing a small pullback, whatever. And then you're trying to flip it and reverse it down there on the pullback, thinking we're finally going to break down and catch a larger move. They buy it back up. We're just repeating that over and over again. I feel like there's people going on a small tilt right now with this price action. So I'll be the one to tell you to shut your shit down right now and chill out for a little bit, if that's you. We're playing with a small range right now. I got a 1 minute trend line right here on SPY. Do I full port long or no?
All in.
All in.
Don't be a bitch.
One said, can you describe to us your outfit right now? I am wearing my Wolf Financial t-shirt.
Let's go.
And sweatpants. And sweatpants. That's what I'm wearing.
How was last night, Short?
Oh, good time. We woke up. It was a rough wake up. But,
This is a rough week.
This is a rough wake up, bro. Oh my gosh. But we here. We made it. We alive. We Gucci.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
But yeah, great time. A lot of people too, like a lot of great people. Oh, this absolute grandma was just busting it down on the dance floor, bro. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it, bro. Like, had more energy than any of us young people in there. I was baffled. Couldn't believe it. Ranking on the dance floor. Love to see it. Gosh. So awesome.
Basically had equal opening highs there on Qs and rejected.
Mm.
I'm gonna look to add to my Tesla soon.
They edged Ivy high on NQ. Ooh.
Yeah, that freaking short scalp. I fucking shit.
Trying to drop them on.
Oh no. Alright, now watch to see if they buy it right here. Look at that. Look at that. Quick. Ah! Oh my god. I'm out.
Oh
That was
my
stupid.
god.
I shouldn't have taken that trade.
Said.
I said I was done. I shouldn't have taken that trade. I shouldn't have.
You're hilarious.
That
Oh my
was
gosh.
that was dumb. I literally pulled up Trade Evade. I went and only pulled up my 3 evals, and I was like, "Fuck it," and went long. It filled me at what did it fill me at?
Oh my god.
I just went long 5 MNQ at 618 and covered at 638. Just quick 20 points. That was stupid.
Oh. So you do need to stole that shit.
Stole that shit. Yeah, Condor, I'm gonna trim at 50%. We're almost there.
You stole that shit.
Stole that shit. Watch it break back to fucking high day too. 5 minutes 21, if anyone wondered. That's it. High or low. Again, just if Emp was here, he probably would have told me I'm buying it there as well. Just every dip like that until proven otherwise. Ooh. Ooh. Spreads are getting a little wide on this Iron Condor. Might get lucky with a fill soon.
Gonna take out this ID on NQ or not? I be high. I be high. Ooh, gold got slots. Nice. Oh. MACD.
All right, about $5 away on the premiums on SPX for 50% on the Iron Condor. Spreads are getting a little wide, so depending on your broker, you might be able to catch fill, might not, but we'll see if they can hit 30. I promise I'm done for the day now. I just posted my account P&Ls at the top there. Again, the swings, mainly the long swings, paid out nice on the main account, and then futures accounts showing all funded and the eval ones, and I broke it down separately overall. So 3,700 on the day, 2,400 of that is real money. The other 1,300 so far is on those eval accounts.
Let's go.
All of that's posted there at the top, and I'm sitting in this SPX Iron Condor as well, looking to make an extra couple $100 in the Webull main account on that. Other than that, there's nothing else interesting here for me to enter into new.
Love it, brother. Good stuff this morning.
Appreciate you.
Amazing work. You deserve all shots of vodka that you want. All of
I'm gonna go get fucked up.
Protectionist means strength.
Bessie could be setting up for that short soon.
Finally coming in a bit, thank you.
Look at that 30-minute knots.
On Taylor.
Yeah, on Tesla.
Yeah, I
Look how it's
know.
about to close in 1 minute. Look at that, all the way up to the top of the zone, 385.
I added, by the way.
I just said I was done. Now I'm convinced.
You ain't done. You going all in shore with me.
He ain't done.
You going all in shore with me.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take it.
That's what they all say.
I mean, first main target downside on Tesla is going to be 381.40, 380. After that is 378.74. I'll send you this chart. Again, I'm not taking it.
Just close green, but still it's like the candle.
There's people in my Discord that are in Tesla puts right now.
Damn right. Smart. Those are smart people.
I know. It's funny. It's going to be setups like this that where like I talk about, and I'm like, yeah, I'm done. I've already taken too much. I'm not going to take this one, and then that's the one that's going to go like fucking berserk.
Right.
Tesla just sells all the way back down to like 376, and those puts are like 20%.
I give you a kiss if that happened.
Oh, I deserve a lot more than a kiss if that happened.
Got into you guys this morning. Shit.
You see my P&L?
You see his P?
Spot looking like it wants to roll a little bit. Let's see. I mean, that's an ugly 30-minute on SPX, too. That hourly close like a straight doji candle. This could be the time where it looks like it's going to roll, though, and it's not. And it's going to lead people to fucking low accounts right now.
Back to the lobby.
No respawn.
Back to the lobby, little Timmy.
There's always a respawn. Use code wolf.
Yeah, use code wolf. Respawn out.
Ooh, just toggled 50% on SPX. If it fills, stop goes to entry.
Damn, I just needed IWM to go up another 50 cents. They didn't let it.
Little ruggy spy.
You definitely just watched that with the kids the past weekend.
No, I haven't watched that in forever. I don't know why that was. That just popped up in my mind.
Wumbo. Wumbo.
He wumbo.
Where's the leak?
Ma'am. Where's the leak?
Did IWM ever hit that level?
No, 50, actually 40 cents off it was. I was going to start my short there, but it didn't get there. It did not get there. Oh, here goes Tezzy. Go, bitch. 381. I want to trim me. 381, 381, 381.40. Trim.
Sure, 24,600 back test on Qs. If you get another nice red candle down right here, a little bit lower, like trim out some puts if you took them. There you go. Not so much on Tesla, just SPY. SPX 50% out half stop at entry. It's either stop at entry on the other half or 100% full profit. There you go. Boom. And we're Gucci. We're Gucci gang.
Oh. Drop.
All right. We got all accounts green this morning. There you go, Tesla. It's a 5-minute 21 right there. I don't know how much puts have moved, but wouldn't be a bad safety trim right there.
Oh no, that's where Daddy's taking a little trimming right there.
Right there, nice.
I saw that myself. Okay, I'm trimming. There we go.
14%, not bad. Nice.
Now we get under that 382.20, and I trim at 381.40. Oh, MU is coming down. Yes, 395 to 400 on MU. I want to get 2-month out call starter.
Yeah, I think those Teslas for Fridays right there. I think they went like 35, maybe $40 per contract. Just watch this 5-minute 21. Spine Q is breaking down though, close underneath level of support, so that looks good. Either bring it down lower or they reclaim right
Yeah,
now.
we're dropping. Iran's foreign minister says they had no talks with the U.S.
Didn't Trump say earlier that they called him? He didn't call them.
That's why we're dropping right now. Oh boy. Here we go. A little taco.
Everybody gets tacos. Huge trade thinker to copy trade. Yeah, probably going to eventually. Actually reached out to them. Bought Tesla. Did so nice. Nice job. Welcome. Tesla paid well. Nice job. Nice work, guys.
You.
Nice work. Your hourly closings in 20 minutes so far. I think it's looking good for a little bit more downside here on Tesla. Go hit that 381.40. About 50 cents away now. Definitely a trim spot right there. But might get lucky with this next 5-minute continuation. Candle down. There it is. Oh, boom. Tessie. There you go.
Trimmed again.
50. Nice. See, look, I talked myself into the trade, and I was like, I'm not going to do it. Oh. Nice 3 red bar down. There you go.
If we get under that 40, it's 380 next. Actually, I would do. Well, I'd probably have to close. Yeah, I'd close
There
at
it is.
380.60.
There it is. 381.40, baby. Look at that 30-minute. Look at that 30-minute candle. Ah! Should have been greedy today. Just robbed this market for everything I had to offer. Watch the bounce now. That is definitely trim and move a stop at entry or in profit or something. Oh, you guys were short NQ at the same time for 100 points? Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah.
See if they continue to bring it down for you. Just keep trailing those stops, baby. Don't let green trades go red. VIX is approaching 25. Popping up a little bit. Out of Tesla, $110. There you go. I mean, what, 15 minutes? Nice work.
Oh, Tezzy, you sexy bastard. You go, girl. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
Oh me, oh my, oh man.
Oh my.
Look at that. Look at this move on Tessie.
Oh my.
Tessie.
What's Q's at? Q's is at 591. Okay. Wow, they really couldn't give me IWM like another 30 cents. That's so fucking upsetting.
I know.
It's so
That would
upsetting.
have been a good one too. Look how that 30-minute chart's setting up now too. If it closes like this.
Okay.
Play.
IWM, I'm all out here. I'll just take it off. I got my third target there. Oh, wait. Did I say IWM? I meant to say Tesla. I meant to say Tesla. I don't have IWM.
So like you got in that? You just lied to me.
Yeah, I only have Tesla. Okay. Okay, so that's at 5. Actually, let me look up SPY. That'll probably be better. Okay, so SPY 659.
Look at that short scalp on it. MNQ I had at 675. Holy shit. Am I still streaming that chart? I'm streaming the wrong chart. You guys can actually see that trade. Look at that. Look.
Look at that bad boy.
Yeah, look, it has the like in the same 5-minute candle, you see my red arrow for the short and then the cover, and then just where we're at now. Like, Jesus. Oh, I'm disgusted. Look at this move.
Mama.
Paper hands, fucking McGee over here.
Oh, brother.
Oh my god. I suck.
Okay. Ooh, they dropping it.
Oh, it doesn't show the arrows.
Okay, what's SPX at? 10.
A 20-point scalp into a 180-point move. Disgusted myself. I could have bought another golf cart. Tessie almost at 380.
Yes.
Yes. Damn, son.
Where'd you find that?
A level here at 485 on NQ.
Damn, son. Make sure you're sleeping. My dogs are attacking me.
Down like in the 450s, 460s area next. It drops like another 60 points, but you could get a little bouncy. Just a little relief after that move lower.
I know. Oh no, I can't. My dogs are literally sitting in front of me. I can't see my screen. They're just plopped on me. I'm living through the markets through your voice, Casey, right now. What's Tesla at? I mean, I'm all out, but
It almost hit 380. It got close. I think it hit 380.4, or let me see, 380.38.
Over 381 again.
Briefly, but now it's back underneath of it.
Yeah.
I think we can catch a little. You see a little relief bounce right here. Probably small green candle pop back up. If you do see a bounce right here on spot, back up to 650.
Stop.
But if they don't, then watch this for another 50, 60 points downside, close to the 450s on NQ. Spy Q is coming back down honestly to about opening lows, 589. 656. 50 area on Spy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you have Tesla on the screen? Gosh dang it, my bad, dude. There you go.
Part-time streamer.
I always forget if I change the screens. Brand new wages. There you go.
Oop, there goes
Ooh, that
Tesla.
headline?
380.
Ooh.
Oh, that might be a headline.
I might long it right here though. It just tapped into that area.
And let me tap in.
I'll take it on the evals. Full port the shit out of this thing. Let's go.
Let me tap in.
We got this minute 50 left on this candle.
Oh,
Come on.
there's
Come on.
something about a minefield. That's why we just dropped.
Alright, lock it in. Trace a little bit more, get back up in the 70s here. Comes back down underneath 44.
Well, we did just hit low a day on the market open.
Yeah,
And then
so
instantly
I
came
hit
back.
it.
Well,
That was like
instantly
the spot
bounced.
right there on Q's. I was like, it's at 589. The second it hit it, I was like, oh, I'm going to full port these evals. I took me out the rest. It's all good. Okay, like an extra 250 per account. I still like it. Got 20 seconds left on this candle.
This guy said he wasn't trading anymore. Huh. Who the fuck is this guy?
He said it might have been done, but I sent 5 QQs on that bounce for 2K. What are we doing? I think we're going to take the low real quick on this next candle, and it can be another long get once it gets a little bit more overextended.
Okay, yeah, we got a low there. Let's see if we take out that 8 o'clock low, which would be 345. No negotiations have been held with the U.S. Oh boy.
The zone and level on QSB5. It might be 7. It's kind of that area. For NQ, it's probably closer to 23, 24, 370. Tesla 378.74.
I know. Don't make me don't make me more upset.
Where's it at?
Ooh!
What the level is that?
Actually, I'll be honest. I thought I'd be up a lot more if I held that. They're only up another $1. Plus, they're in the money. That's actually pretty shocking.
Did you take Wednesday or Friday?
Wednesdays. They're only up a $1 from where I sold at 380.60, which is weird, actually. I thought it'd actually be a little bit more. We're $2 down from there and $1.30 in the money.
To the fucking penny right here on Tesla. Look at that.
Ooh, MU 404. Mm-hmm.
All right, where do I long this thing again for a scalp for this overextension?
By the way, wait, let me look at IWM.
We're almost there for Qs. Oh, don't be right here. It's at 400. Sweep it. Sweep it and then get a little bounce. There you go. Leg sweeping. Leg sweeping. Damn, Jesse. Dude, I was lying when I said, look. Jordan. What? Remember I said I'm not going to take Tesla and it's going to fall to like 376, 375 and it's going to be like the biggest trade of the day.
Look at her.
Now it's talking about the
Of course, bro. Finally rolled over.
No. I'm about to scale into this long right here on NQ on these evals. We got down to the 60s. We're about to hit 587 on Qs. All right. I like down here in these 370, 350 area. The fix ripped.
Three, two, 1. Boom.
One. Bang, bang.
Previous hourly lows, 344.50.
Do something crazy. Do something crazy. One. Bang, 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 bang.
Another one.
So MU weekly 9 is at 397. MU weekly 50, daily 50 SMA is at 402. Drop MU. Drop MU. Drop MU. Drop MU.
50 points off the zone so far for Qs. Is the back test of the level. But it's 430 right there on NQ. And right off the 3. My God, man. That was 300 points from the first entry short up there.
Smoked.
300 fucking points. You can look at my 1 minute chart. Yep, look at that. 2 candles. I was in and out. Stupid.
I think they can still drop to take out these lows.
SPX is in a gap. I'm out. Maybe.
Ooh, 5 minute inverted. Over 420. I'm not in anything. Actually, oh fuck. I should. I'm not gonna get it in time.
Yeah, you are right now. Long. Let's go. Let's go for Portland.
Do you hear my dog? He's like what's it called? Sneezed at me.
And it's got allergies.
Now he's like, fuck you. You going all in
Pollen
wrong,
here is
bitch.
insane right now. Sucks so bad. Oh. I'd like to see if SPA gets down to right here, and if Qs can get down underneath 587, would be great spots to see if they hold and bounce play.
Let's see if they do get that. If they do get it, it's a move over 426 on NQ. And it looks like they're going to try it. Over 426, we could see a quick move to 440. Oh, there it is, 426.
I told you to go long, did you not?
I did quietly. No one can
Me too. Yeah, no, me too.
Let's see if we get to the
405.
Let's see if we get to the 440. I did just close half there. Oh, and it might be a good idea. Might have been a good idea.
I'm gonna put a stop at back to 405 and then put an order if it decides to rip face.
I have a stop 3 cents in profit. I'm up like 13 cents in profit right now. And I'm probably gonna air close. Nope. No. No. Come on, 440. I'm just gonna close it there at 440 to 450 and just be done with it. It'll be a few $100. Here we go, 437. Come on, 440. 436, 437, 436, 433. 440, 443. 447, 440. I'm all out here. Very nice. Very nice.
I got an order at 70. Gotta hit it to take out the
Going for 450?
contracts. Yeah.
Going for 450.
There we go.
And sold.
Shit.
He's all out.
No, I'm not. I should. Let's add into it. I'm just kidding. Add into this thing. Let's pop off it though. Nice little inverted green hammer down there on just off the zone. Almost damn near perfect. He's trying to print a buy signal right now. Candle closes in 30 seconds. That's the only reason I'm joking about adding into it.
5-minute inverted after multiple big red candles.
So the zone right here on Q, this is SR flip zone from previous 2 sessions. So the indicator marked it out, starts at 587.54 and goes to 586.62. And low of day is 587.49. So it entered into it by 5 cents. And a nice reaction off of it. 1, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, what's cooking, my good looking? Are we still at 450? We're still at 450.
Yeah, I'm watching to see if it can pop up a little bit more here.
I got May 15th, 4:30 calls for NDX. $400 a contract. I got really well.
400 puts for Friday. So far, you have 6.25 million at the ask, 1.73 million at the bid, so about 4 times greater on those. Then you have 385s. Someone bought 1,700 contracts for Friday at 380. They spent $642,000 on that one single order. And then you just had those 352.5s come in for Friday as well. So lots of MU put flow. I was 2 days early. I think we're going to come down and hit this zone on SPY and Qs. Qs entered into it. I want to see Qs go underneath 587. Your midpoint is at 585.02 for Qs. For SPY at 654.22. You have a daily level at 655.17, and that lines up with directly the middle of that zone. It's going to be your low from Thursday session, March 19th. Yeah, it's all right. MU's a tough one to catch. Yeah, it's all about timing. You're getting lucky with the momentum. How does SNDK look? SNDK is about to fill the daily gap to the downside. Takes it to 671.67. About $10 lower from where it's at right now. I mean, that thing's getting obliterated today. Not really today. I'll just say within the last hour and a half with everything else. But I mean, that thing's been strong. Look at your weekly. So far, upper wick so far, sellers present. Daily, just back testing underneath the daily 9 above the 21. Gap fills kind of directly in the middle. So temporarily, short term was a good short. Then see if they could fill the rest of the gap at some point. Got some put flow on ticker LITE, light. This one does not look too good intraday right here. Some flow on some in the money puts for Friday. That came in this morning, like 25 minutes ago. Their options are insane. I don't recommend it.
Silver is really bouncing back. Or oil, sorry.
Well, I just hit the top of the zone, new low of day. Q's not quite there. Neither is IWM.
No, I walked him at 10:30, 10:45.
What are you guys doing today? We're throwing it from lunch.
Hey, gentle fish and gentle ladies, I will be back.
Heard that, brother. Later, Gator. I'm about to go have some lunch. I got
That's what I'm
sushi
gonna
waiting
do.
for me.
Ooh.
Ooh, I know.
Sushi?
It's a good day for some sushi.
That sounds bomb.
I know.
I haven't had sushi in a while because the wife can't. What a shame. What a shame.
Oh, man. You should get a new wife.
Yeah, I agree. I'm in. I'm in. I'm gonna actually show her this. I'm gonna let her know. The vote's in. You're out.
Oh, my gosh.
All right, Knots is sleeping on the couch tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the
Yeah.
dogs. Yeah, fuck them. Yeah. I'll see you guys later.
It sounds good.
Later, man.